Hey guys, welcome to this contact guide, and here I'll detail how to recover contact from Google. So if you want to recover your lost contact or deleted contact from Google, or just got a new phone and I want to import your contact back to your phone, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to recover contact from Google, all you just need to do is go ahead and open a browser. Then on the browser, open a new tab. Now you want to go to contact.google.com, contact.google.com, and click on go. Now you'll be prompted to sign into the Google account where the contact is saved. Now go ahead and type in either your email or phone number. So I'm just going to go ahead now, type in the email address where the contact is saved. Once you type it, go ahead and click on next. Then after that, you'll be prompted to type in your Google account. So proceed and type in your Google account and make sure the Google account is correct. Otherwise, you will not be able to access the contact page where you can easily recover your contact from Google account. And then click on next. Once you hit the next button, just hang on. If you have 2FA enabled, you'll be prompted to accept the confirmation from 2FA pop on your second phone. You can see I have this on my iPhone. Then I just need to go ahead and tap yes, it is me. Then select the number on the screen. Then after that, this will grant access to the Google account or Gmail on my Android phone. And then there you go. This is going to take you to the contact page on your Android phone. Now, once you are on the contact page, just like this, then what you need to do here is this. Click on this arrow. Then if you say export contact, go ahead and export this contact by selecting contact. You can export it as Google CSV, Outlook CSV, or vCard. This is for Android or iOS contact. Now, since you want to recover contact from Google account on your Android, just select vCard and then tap export. Then you see exporting, and once that's exported, you can now exit the Google account. Go ahead and open the contact app on your phone. So just open contact. Then once you open the contact application, tap import contact from a file, or click on this menu option at the top left. Then click on manage contact and tap import contact. Then select phone or cloud. Now I want to go to download section and then import the contact downloaded from your Google account. So whichever approach you choose to follow, you're still going to end up with the same process. So if you click on add account from account, just go ahead and tap add account and then select the account you want to add, which is your Google account, like this. Then you see checking information, then confirm with your PIN, pattern, Face ID, or passcode. Then once you selected that, just hang on. Then you want to go ahead and log into your Google account. So in this case, we're going to skip all this and then click on import contact from a file, since we already downloaded the contact or exported the contact from our Google account. Click on phone or iCloud and click on download. Then select this. Then tap done. Once you tap done, just hang on. Import to select where to import this contact. I'm importing this to my phone. Then click on import. Then hang on. Then this contact will be imported from your Google account straight to your phone, and this might take a couple of seconds depending on the total number of contacts you have. You can now go ahead, exit this page, and once the contact has been imported successfully, you should see contact added to your phone. Then go ahead and click on OK. Then this is it. So these are all your contacts imported to your Android phone. So that is basically how to recover contact from Google account. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.